Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview splash pools above ground pool package 24 foot by 52 inch. This complete 24 feet by 52 inch above ground round pool package comes with everything needed to get you swimming. It features strong painted hot dipped galvanized steel components, an all-weather 20-gauge vinyl liner that withstands everyday use all year round, and an A-frame resin ladder with safety barrier. Product benefits: stainless steel hardware for extended life. The inside of the wall is coated with weather-resistant Epoxy Shield. On the exterior side of the wall, a textured Crystex sealant adds protection for all weather conditions. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual.
Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.